Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, what's up, buddy? Let me introduce myself. My name is Alief Naufal Zaidan Ansori. I'm from Civil Engineering Department, Class 1 MRK5. So, in this video, I will make a video how to using AutoCAD from beginner. So, without any further ado, let's do it. So, I will open AutoCAD application. So this is the application, right? Okay. Okay. If you first time using AutoCAD application, you can tap new. Okay. There are many properties, right, in this application. So I will introduce for you. So this is the title bar, and this is the menu bar, right? And this is icon from if you want to make it something like that, and this is the tools bar, and this is the command. Okay, in this video I will just make four material, right? Line, polyline, circle, and hatching. So first time I will show you how to make a line. Okay, so there are two ways to make a line. The first the first time you can make using the icon in this menu bar, right? So you can tap line like this. This is a crosshair, right? Like cursor. Okay, so tap on this point and you can uh, maybe make a 100 line, right? Okay, enter. Okay, like this. So if you wanna close the line, you can tap escape, like this. So if you want to measure the distance of the line, you can tap in the command uh, DNI. DNI is distance, right? So enter. So you can tap in this point like this, tap and to the point. The point is 100, right? Okay. So I will make again. So with another ways, you can make a line with command, right? You can tap code line in this crosshair, right? The code of line is L. L is the code of line. Okay, enter. So you can tap in this point. Okay, like this. Maybe you can make a line with distance 200 maybe. Okay, enter. So if you wanna close the line, you can using another ways. Maybe you can tap right, like this. You can tap cancel, like this. Okay, so that is how to make a line, right? So second I will make a polyline, right? Polyline with a line is different, right? This is the polyline. You can tap like this. So maybe you wanna make a 100. Oh, I'm sorry. This 100, right? Enter, and you can continue make a line from the this maybe 50. Oh, I'm sorry, 50 done, right? So and another row to life, right? 100, enter. And you can close off polyline with the command, right? Using C, tap C and enter, like this. And you can using another ways, maybe like this. Okay, I will make a polyline again from this point to right, 100, 50, and turn left, 100 again. And you can tap on the point, the first point before, right? Like this. Okay, so you can click tap escape. Okay, so this is how to make a polyline. And then thirdly, I will make a arch. How to make arch, right? So firstly, you can make polyline. This might be 100, enter. And you can, if you wanna make a arch, you can tap C, okay, enter, like this. So if you wanna measure the distance of the arch, you can tap CE is center, right? CE, enter. So you can put like this. So the distance might be 77.7, right? Okay, so you can enter. So if the row is wrong, you can measurement with the control. You have to hold the control like this. Okay, so like this. And if the arch is true in your opinion, you can tap like this. Okay, cancel. So I will do it again. So firstly, you can make polyline, say 100, enter. You can tap arch and tap center CE. For the center is CE, right? Enter. And might be 50, right, of the weight of the distance, enter. So you have to hold on the control from the row of the arch, right? Maybe like this. If you wanna make a line again, you can tap L like this and enter. So maybe the distance of 100, enter. And you can close the line with the tap the first point before, like this. Wait, okay, and cancel. So that is how to using arch. Okay, so the last I will show you how to make a hatching, right? So there are two ways to make a hatching. So the first ways is before you can make a rectangle before, right? You can tap and maybe the distance is 100, enter. I will copy the rectangle before. You can block this and you can tap the CO is copy, right? The code of copy, enter, and you can tap the material and you can have this. It might be I will make a three rectangle. Okay, cancel. So the first ways you can tap on the toolbars. This is the hatching, like this. If you wanna make a hatching, you can do this. Maybe you can choose the hatching as an ANSI 32 tab, and you can tap on this rectangle like this. So this is for measure the distance of the hatching, right? So you can hold on, maybe like this. So okay, I will make a hatching, another hatching, right? So maybe using the angel. Oh, before we have to close hatching curtain. I'm sorry, don't forget. Like this. So I will make a second hatching. So you can using two option. The option number two is you can tap the hatch in the crosshair, right? In the command hatch. The code is hatch, like this, and enter. Okay. So the second hatching, I will choose the angel maybe. Okay, tap, and you can tap in this rectangle, right? Okay. You can measurement the hatching like this. Okay. Measurement of the size the hatching, right? Sorry. Okay. So like this. So the last hatching, I will make another hatching. Okay, hatch. So this is the another hatching model, right? Okay, maybe I will make a hatching. Wait, I just look for. Oh, wait. Okay, this is like ANSI 34 maybe, and tap in this area. So if you wanna measure the angel, right, you can tap this point. Maybe we using 90 and enter. The row of hatching is change, right? So maybe if you using 30 angle, enter, the rotate angle is will change. Okay, like this. So and then you can close hatch creator. Okay, okay, right now I will make a circle. I'm sorry, I forget to make a circle, right? So you can make a circle with the radius, center radius, like this. You can tap the center radius. You can tap on this place. You can measurement the radius of circle, right? Maybe 200. Enter. Okay. So I will move the draw. You can, if you wanna move the draw, you can tap M O or just M, just M. Okay, enter, and you can select the object, and you can move. You can move, right? Like this. Okay, this is a circle with the radius 200. So next I will make a center diameter. You can tap the center diameter, this, and then tap the on this place, this point. Okay. The circle using diameter and radius is different, right? Okay, can maybe 100, like this. So this is a center using a circle using a radius, and this the circle using a diameter. So next I will make a circle. If you wanna combine two object line, right? The firstly you have to make a line like this. It's up to you, right? Like this. Cancel and make a line. Like this. Cancel. And then you can choose the circle 2 point like this. Okay, so you can tap on the first point to the second point like this, and then you can combine the 2 point using a circle 2 point, right? Like this. So next I will make a circle for combine the 3 point. You can make make a line again. Line is up to you, right? And escape. Okay, and make line again, maybe on this, tap and tap right and cancel. So make a line again, the last line, enter this, and tap right and cancel. Oh, I'm sorry. The line, enter on this place, on the tip, and maybe 100 maybe. Okay, enter and cancel. So how to ways of combine this 3 point like this? So you can using the circle, this 3 point. Okay, 3 point. So tap, and you can tap in this point, the first point to the second point, this, and the last you can tap on the last point like this. So you get the make a circle 3 point like this. Okay, okay guys, this is my video. So if I have many mistake, I'm so sorry. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.